In this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you two particular websites which actually pay you real money. So this particular website, they are actually legit. You probably have them on your phone. Maybe you have the application on your phone, or you've probably heard about them, but you don't know the capability or what you can actually achieve just by using this two websites. So I'm going to be sharing with you because they are really so popular, and I'm going to be sharing my screen with you to show you everything which you need to know and how you can actually earn from these two websites. There are more to it, but in this video I'm just going to be sharing two with you, and then maybe in the next video I'm going to be showing you another one. So the first particular website which I'm talking about is something which you actually have on your phone right now, and this is called PayPal. So I believe many of you uses PayPal, and you use PayPal to make some of a transaction. I believe you can see that on my screen, to send money, to receive money from abroad, or send money to people or whatever. But that is one side of PayPal, but there are many other things which you can actually earn on PayPal. So PayPal have this particular program which they call their referral program. So on their referral program, all you need to do is you need to refer people, and when you refer people with your particular link, and when this person actually register on their website, and also when this person send money or make a transaction, they have a discount which they are going to be paying you just because you were the one that referred these people. So imagine you actually refer 10 people, and then they are paying you $10 just for you because you refer this person, and this person make a particular transaction. That is almost $100 for you. So let me show you how you can get to this website. So when you go to paypal.com, and then you see invites, and then you see reward your day, refer a friend, reward your day, invite your friend, and then you see I'm on this particular link, and this one is the UK link. For your country, no matter which country you are from, you also get the same thing. It's the same program everywhere. So minimum of £5 spent within 30 days of sign off. Offer ends 30 June 2024. The word expired 30 October 2024. So when you scroll down, you will see how it actually works. So it's like you invite, they join, you both earn. That is how it works. So send invitation to your friends who don't have PayPal. So if you have people who don't have PayPal, send invitation to them, and they join PayPal just by signing up. And what they need to do is when your friend sends or spend £5 within 30 days of sign up, you both can earn $10. You see how easy that is. So when you come to how much I can earn through the referral, you see the information which they actually give here. So this is not just for UK alone. This is for every country. If you're in Poland, if you're in Nigeria, if you're in Germany, if you are in US, wherever you are, it's the same program, and they run this program almost every time. So it's called their referral program, and they actually pay a lot for this. So if you have paper on your phone, or if you're using paper for some time, this is actually for you. You probably don't know about it. That is why I'm breaking it to you. So I'm going to be jumping to the second one, but before I jump to the second, I will tell you, if you like this video, if you've actually just come across my channel, or you've been watching my channel in a while, this is the right time for you to hit the like and the subscribe button, because of course you want more video. And if you want more video, the best thing for you is to subscribe, so you get the notification whenever I upload another video. So jumping to the second one is the one I really love. I've been using this one for the past 4-5 years now, because I use them to make every transaction. In short, I will tell you, like every month I make transaction on transfergo. Yes, transfergo. Transfergo, let me just kind of introduce transfergo for you in case you don't know. Transfergo is kind of this platform which you use to send money abroad. So transfergo, by the time you send your money abroad, it takes less than 5 minutes, and the money is going to be deposited in the person's account. So let's take, for example, you are sending money to someone in Nigeria, for example, and then you just put the person account details and everything. After you click on send, just give it like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the money just gets into the person's account. Like, I can actually recommend them because I've been using them for more than 4-5 years now. So I can actually recommend transfergo to you. So let's look at this program which they have, which is called their referral program. It's called the invite friends and earn loan. So if you are living in the abroad, or it doesn't matter if you are living in the abroad, maybe you are living in your local country, and you used to send money to people, or you used to help people just one way or the other. And the good thing is they also have good rates. Like, they have good rates. So let's look at their referral program, which is how you can actually earn from them. So it's not just by you sending money through their platform, you can also earn from them. So let's see how you can actually earn from them. So invite friends and loads. You need to go to transfergo.com and you click on refer. So when you click on refer, you see this particular program which I'm talking about. So get £20 for every person you invite to transfergo and earn 100 each month. So for every person which you invite and the person makes a transaction, you get £20. That sounds interesting, right? So let's scroll down and see how it actually works. How do I invite my friends? So number one, you need to find a friend. It can just be your colleagues or whatever. Just talk to them. Oh, do you send money abroad? Do you give money to people? You can even use transfergo to send money locally. So it's not just abroad alone. You can use to send to your local bank. So let's say you are in Nigeria, from GT to Wema, from Wema to Zenith, or maybe you are in Poland, for example, you use it to send money from Santander to Millennium or whatever bank. So it also covers locally. So what you need to do is click on find person which you need to tell to, and then share your code with them. So there's a particular code. If you go on your transfergo application, you will see just particular code and link which you need to share with your friend, or you can put it on your WhatsApp status, you can put it on your social media. It doesn't matter anyway. Just put the link, and then when they register, they use this particular link or they use this particular code. Help your friend to sign up. Once they sign up, start transferring. So once they start transferring, every transaction they make, you will get £20 for every transaction they make. So it's not £20 for every country. So it's going to be like your country is going to be on the currency which you use in your country. So let's say it's Poland, for example, it might be like 50 zloty or whatever. Or let's say it's in Germany, for example, it might be like 10 euros or something for every friend which you invite who actually made a transaction. So sharing is earning, just like they said, on their platform. So once they send £100, that's pounds, internally to another person in another country, your reward is yours. So once the person make a transaction up to £100, or in your local currency, let's say up to 100 zloty or 400 zloty, you have a percentage in which you can actually, there's no cap to what you can actually earn from them. So it's not like after you get to this particular stage you can actually go further. So you can keep inviting people and you keep getting money for everyone which you invite. So it's like it doesn't stop. As much as you invite people, the more you also get. So once a person made their transaction, you get the money. Click and collect. It's that easy. I will tell you, I've been using transfergo and I can actually recommend transfergo to you anytime anyway. So these are the two websites which I actually wanted to introduce to you today. I know this particular website very well, and if you actually want to earn some money just by doing, well, I won't say by doing nothing, because you have to do something. You have to send the link, you have to refer the link to someone, you have to give someone the link, you have to tell them about it. It's just like you are making advertisements for them, and when you make this advert for them, you also get money in return for advertising their website. So this is everything which I want to share with you today. If you like the video, don't forget to click on the like button, and of course sharing is earning. So share with somebody and also subscribe to the channel. Until I catch you in the next one, my name is Akere, and if you want to see some of my other videos, I'm going to be linking them in the description, and I'm also going to put in the link to PayPal referral code, and also the link to transfergo. So until I catch you in the next one, bye for now.